Hi everyone, here we've got ONEPLUS Nord N10 5G, and let me show you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two options to choose from. The first one is using directly your contact list, so you can block your own contact, or you can block totally another number not saved on your device using the dialer settings. So of course I will show you both options. Let's begin with opening the dialer. Let's go to your contact list and find the contact you want to block. Simply tap on it. Now you have to tap on this three dots icon, and as you can see here we've got block numbers option, so let's tap on it. I don't want to report it as a spam, and as you can see your device is asking you if you really want to block this number, and if you want, just tap on block. And as you can see, as you can say by this icon, this number is blocked, and from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Of course you can unblock it from this level. Just tap on this three dots icon again and click on unblock numbers. Sorry, that was a misclick. Click on unblock numbers, but I will leave it blocked. And now let me show you the second option, and it doesn't really matter if it will be on your contacts, recents or favorites. Simply tap on this three dots icon and click on the settings. As you can see here we've got blocked numbers option, so let's enter, and this is our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked using our contact list. What's more, at the very top of the list, at the very top of this page actually, we've got the unknown option, so it's very useful because your device will block all incoming calls from unidentified callers. Now it is off. If you want to turn it on, just tap on the switch right here. What's more, we can add a number manually, so as I said, if you do not have it saved on your contact list, just tap on add a number, tap on this area, and here we can type the number we want to block, tap on block, and as you can see it immediately appears on our blacklist, so it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls and texts from that number. Of course you can unblock it, just tap on this X button right next to it, tap on unblock, and it immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your ONEPLUS Nord N10 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.